Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I was out here doing a ridge cap blow off repair, and it was just a short notice repair. And while I was doing my repair, I noticed that there was a nail pop just about 6 foot away, and the nail looked like it had been pushed through the shingles for quite some time. So I got up here to take a look at it, and I noticed this thing's fixing a leak. So I'm going to flip the camera around to show you guys exactly what I'm talking about. So this is where the nail used to be. This is all where you can see debris and water has been getting. Now, whenever debris and water gets to where nails are, that's going to rust out that nail and most likely cause a leak. So this is an issue that you definitely cannot see from the ground. You can't even see it from most facets of the roof. And because this customer lives a couple states away, and this is just a second home of theirs, they may not notice this leak for a few weeks, maybe even a few months. And if that was the case, who knows the kind of collateral damage that they might have. You know, definitely have to get their ceiling repaired, repainted, potentially even their floor if the leak got bad enough. So that's why we really recommend getting your roof inspected at least once a year, because wind and hail are not the only things that can cost you money when it comes to roofing. Well, that's all I got for today, guys. I hope everyone's off to having an awesome week, and I hope everybody crushes it the rest of the week. Adios.